Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we are sharing an incredible story of hard work, skill, and amazing kindness. This video follows a talented woman as she takes on not one, but two challenging vehicle restoration projects, ultimately using her skills to serve her community. Our story begins in a beautiful, lush countryside, where a skilled woman is tending to her garden. After her work, she discovers an old Toyota Hiace van, completely abandoned and almost reclaimed by nature. It's covered in a thick layer of mud and overgrown with vines, looking like it has been sitting there for years. With determination and a large machete, she begins the difficult task of clearing away the dense vegetation. Once she can access the van, she opens it up and finds a surprising treasure inside. A nest full of fresh eggs, which she carefully collects. Realizing the van is stuck, she makes a phone call for help. A friend soon arrives with a rugged truck, and together, they tow the forgotten vehicle out of the wilderness and back to her workshop. The real transformation begins with a powerful jet wash. Layer by layer, the thick mud is blasted away, revealing the van's original form. She meticulously cleans both the exterior and the interior, preparing it for the next stage. With the van cleaned, she gets to the heart of the problem, the engine. She opens up the engine compartment, which is located inside the cabin, replaces the battery, adds coolant, and installs new spark plugs. With a bit of work and expertise, the engine roars back to life. Next, she focuses on the bodywork. She uses an angle grinder to remove all the rust and old, peeling paint. Then, she applies body filler to smooth out all the dents and imperfections. After careful sanding, she masks the windows and other areas with paper and tape, preparing for a full paint job. The entire van is coated in a fresh layer of white paint, and she even paints the wheels a sleek black, making it look brand new. But this isn't just a simple restoration. She has a bigger purpose in mind. She transforms the van into a free ambulance for her local community. She carefully applies bright red cross decals and the words, "Free Patient Transport," to the side of the vehicle. The final result is a beautiful functional ambulance, ready to help those in need. In a heartwarming moment, she drives the newly restored ambulance to a local medical clinic and proudly hands over the keys to a grateful nurse. Her hard work has created a vital resource for the people in her area, but her work isn't done yet. The very truck that helped her tow the van is now in her workshop for its own set of repairs. She gets straight to work on the truck's diesel engine, cleaning the valve cover and skillfully crafting a new gasket from scratch. She also removes, cleans, and reinstalls the fuel tank. Finally, she tackles the rear brakes, taking apart the entire wheel hub assembly, cleaning the components, and putting it all back together with fresh grease and proper adjustments. The truck's owner returns, clearly pleased with her professional repairs. She is paid for her expert work, and he drives away in his fully functional truck, ready for the road again. This video is a powerful testament to skill, dedication, and the spirit of giving back. If you were as inspired by this amazing transformation as we were, please make sure to like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you won't miss our next incredible restoration story. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.